So, I applied for YouTube monetization and guess what? In just 2 days I got approval from YouTube saying that congratulations, your channel is approved for monetization. I will share some tips and tricks which I used to get my YouTube monetization approved in just 2 days. So, as you can see that I received this email on 26th of February from YouTube that congratulations, your channel has crossed 1000 subscriber and 4000 hours of watch time and now you can apply for YouTube monetization. So, I applied for YouTube monetization on 27th of February and on 1st of March my channel was approved to join the YouTube partner program, so it took only 2 days to get my channel monetized. And in today's video I am also going to break down the monetization review process. What happens after you submit your application and what you can do to get the monetization approval faster. So, if you want to know my secret, then keep on watching. So as a small YouTuber, getting your monetization is one of your number one and top priorities. Everyone is working towards getting their 1000 subscribers and their 4000 hours of watch time so they can finally make a little money off their videos. I just did a video all about the entire YouTube monetization process, so you'll definitely want to check that out because I cover the process from start to finish there. Like I mentioned in that other video, you need to apply to the YouTube Partner Program. This is the program that enables you the ability to put ads on your videos. So, how review process works? First of all, we meet YouTube subscriber and watch time thresholds. Then our channel should not have any active community guideline strikes. Then we sign the YouTube Partner Program terms. And finally we need to connect AdSense account. Once you sign the YouTube Partner Program terms and connect an AdSense account, your channel will automatically be put in a review queue. Then YouTube automated systems and human reviewers will then review your channel's content to check whether your account has followed all of guidelines. Because YouTube want to make sure that people they are accepting into the program truly do meet their standards and requirements for their advertisers. YouTube do not want to put ads on weird, shady, spammy accounts, and so that's why it must go through a human. And again, the reason they're doing this is because they want to make sure that your channel is advertiser friendly. What is advertiser friendly content? I'll just include the full list right here. Basically, they're looking for profanity, violence, drug use, those sorts of things. So, if your channel or your videos have those things, you might not get monetized. YouTube human reviewers will assess your channel to check whether your account meets our YouTube channel monetization policies. YouTube get back to you with a decision once your channel is reviewed, typically about 1 month after you meet the threshold. Remember that sometimes, you may need to wait more than a month. There can be multiple reasons for delays: higher than usual application volumes, system issues, or YouTube may occasionally need to shift resources. YouTube policy specialists try to get through applications as fast as possible, but delays can happen because YouTube have a limited number of specialists. So, what are the things that they look at when they are reviewing your channel? First off, they are going to look at the main theme of your channel, just to get a sense of what you're about. They're going to look at your most viewed videos. So, what are people gravitating to most on your channel? They're gonna look at your newest videos to see what your new content is all about. They're gonna look at videos that give the largest proportion of watch time. Let's take some examples from my YouTube channel. As you can see that I am on analytics page of my YouTube channel, and I have applied the filter for last 365 days, and let's see how much views, watch time and subscribers I have gained. As you can see that in the last 365 days, I have gained 20,000 views, 6,000 hours of watch time and 1,000 subscribers. Now, if I scroll down, you will be able to see that this video, which I made on how to make money on TikTok and how you can apply for Fund Creator program. This video got me about 11,000 views, and if I go to the analytics page, you will be able to see that this single video give me about 558 hours of watch time. So guys, simply, what you have to see is that the videos which you are giving you the most of watch time are legit, real, and these videos are not violating the community guidelines of YouTube. The videos are original, you are using your own voice, or at least make sure that it's your own content. I mean, you're not copy-pasting from TikTok or any other social media platform. Let's talk about that, how you can get the approval faster for monetization from YouTube. So, guys, here are some tips and tricks which I would like to share with you guys in order to get the approval faster and look professional on YouTube. Number 1, make sure that your thumbnails are good enough and eye catches so whenever your video comes on the homepage or browsing page or in any search engine of YouTube, anyone could click it easily and click-through rate is maximum. Number 2 is to make sure that your title, tags and description is good enough so that whenever someone is trying to search something in search engine, the chances are going to be higher that your video is going to pop up in the first 10 or in first 5 recommended videos. You can write a best description, as you can see that in here in the notes. I have made a proper and good enough template for my YouTube videos. You will be able to see first of all I describe about the video. Secondly, I have some timestamps for that videos so that anyone could jump anywhere in the part of the video and they can watch whatever they want to watch. The third thing I do in the description is to link my all social media links and so that anyone could go to my other platforms. A most asked question is that what happens if my counts drop below the threshold after I apply? Well, YouTube has answered this question in this manner. YouTube sends your channel for review once you meet our valid public watch hours and subscriber threshold. So it doesn't matter if your subscriber or watch hour counts drop below the threshold while waiting for review. If you've met the threshold and applied for YTPP, YouTube still review your channel for YTPP suitability. So this is how YouTube monetization process works. How long it can take. And what you can do to get the approval faster. And to summarize all this, I would like to say this, that if you want your channel get monetized faster, then simply follow all the community guidelines of YouTube. Secondly, make your content and channel advertiser friendly. Third thing is that always keep your channel neat and clean. Don't make videos which can be spammy, and always be loyal and genuine and make good content. I hope that you will get your monetization approved in just few days or less than within 1 week. And if you finally reach the 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hours requirement for YouTube partner program, but get stuck done under review for days, weeks or even months, you lose hope and doesn't want to continue your YouTube career. I can understand this, and I have another solution for this to get out of this problem. Comment below if you want me to make a video on this topic. So, I hope that you enjoyed this video. Make you like and subscribe, and don't forget to share this video with your friends and family, and I'll see you in any other video. Till then, bye bye guys, and take care of yourself.